Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our exercise 13.2 as we have finished our 13.1, and tomorrow I will take live class. Live session will be there on your class time, and in that live session we will solve that previous question paper. And on Friday I gave you, I think, na? On Friday I gave you some questions, so we will solve these 5 or 6 questions were there. And the day after tomorrow on Wednesday, your MCQ test will be there. Okay, I'll take your MCQ test of 20 question and 10 marks. Okay, so be ready for MCQ question paper or MCQ test with the same chapter came in last test, periodic 1. Okay, same chapter you will be asked. Now today we are going to start surface area of right circular cone. As I already told you, what is surface area? Surface area of cylinder, not right circular cone, that is cylinder. Okay, cylinder. Okay, first of all the question arises, what is right circular cylinder and what is the difference between right circular and circular? See, right word is there, na? Right circular, it is given in your book. Right circular. You know what is cylinder? This is the actual shape of cylinder, and this is perpendicular to the base. Correct? This is perpendicular to the base. Because of this angle, this is 90-degree angle. Because of this angle, it is called right circular. Right means right angle. Circular means round. Okay, this is round, and this is perpendicular to the base, and base is our floor, you can say. This is also our base. Okay, so this is called right circular cylinder. As I told you about the formula of this curved surface area of right circular cone, we are talking about surface area. देखो, सबसे पहले आप देखेंगे cylinder having one base. See, this is a cylinder and this is having base as circle. Okay, यहाँ देखेंगे आप, in down and one in top, one circle is there. Okay, if I will put, see, this is a circle, side view of the circle. If I will put one circle on one circle, one more, and it will form just like a cylinder. Is it or not? This is the cylinder formed by infinity number of circles. We cannot measure the height of the circle because it does not have height, right? It does not have. So what we will do? How we will find the thickness? So we will not take thickness. We will take total height. How many circles we have put on each other? We will not count the thickness of one circle. We will just count the total height of all circles. Okay, so total surface area or curved surface area. First of all, we will talk about curved surface area. CSA means curved surface area of cylinder. What is the curved surface area of cylinder? Curved means round one. This is curved surface area. जो घूमता हुआ दिख रहा है ना, that is called curved. This one is curved. What is curved? One circle is pi 2 pi r. Circumference क्या होती है? 2 pi r. So that is 2 pi r. And how many 2 pi r are there? That is up to h height. So we will multiply by h also. This is curved surface area. As I make you understand already in previous classes also and previous videos also, and today also I am telling you to use same thing. Okay, this is 2 pi r h. Okay, we will talk about total surface area of cylinder. What is the total surface area of cylinder? Total surface area will be curved surface area plus this base area and top area. These two circles are there. Correct? Base area plus top area. Top means upper one, bottom, or this one. So base, curved surface area as we know, 2 pi r h, right? Then base area is that is pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square, and this is the circle only. Correct? So that will be pi r square plus top also again the same pi r square. Okay? So the total surface area will be 2 pi r, sorry, 2 pi rh plus pi r square. Correct? So can we take common in this one? 2 pi r and h plus r will be there. Okay? This is the total surface area of cylinder. Now in this, some things are there. What is r? R is equal to radius. Second, h is equal to height. And the last one, pi. You know very well what is pi. The value of pi is equal to, generally we take 22 upon 7, and sometime it is given 3.14. Okay, sometime it is given 3.14. If it is given, use the same. If it is not given, use pi by 2, pi by 7. Okay, this was the curved surface area. Now we will solve some problem related to this question, related to this formula. Okay, चलो करते हैं. First question I am going to read here. Question number 1, and please try to solve all from your side so that you can also understand and you can also do the same. First one is the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88. Find the diameter and of the base. See, two things are given. One is height and one is curved surface area. Question number 1. First of all, how will you start? First write what is given. Okay, what is given? Curved surface area is equal to, that is 88 square centimeter. Correct? And after that, what is given? Height. Height also given, na? Height is given, that is 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. Can you find the base diameter? See, later we will find base diameter. Before that, can you find radius? And the diameter is just double of the radius. So here base diameter will be, first of all, see what is given. That is curved surface area. Curved surface area is 2 pi r h is equal to given, that is 88. यहाँ लिख लेते हैं पहले, एग्जाम में भी ठीक रहेगा. Curved surface area 2 pi r h is equal to curved surface area. Okay, this will be equal to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by r we don't have, h we have, that is 14, will be equal to, curved surface area is 88. Can we put this value as it is? Okay, now next one, see, this r we will put here. You can divide also. 7 to ja 14. So we have now 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by r multiplied by 2 is equal to 88. In all things except this r we will divide. So what will come? This r will be equal to 88 divided by 2, 22 and 2, right? 22 and 2. What will come? 2 44 time, then 2 22 time, and 22 1 ja 22, means r will be equal to 1 centimeter. Correct? This is the r. r is equal to 1 centimeter. ये आपकी हो गई radius. Now diameter. Diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius, means 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 centimeter. Hope you understood. Is it very easy? Not so difficult. Very easy. Okay, you can find it easily. Can you solve now? Okay. If there is any problem, please ask via comments. You are not replying, so reply via comments. Understood or you did not understand? Is there any problem in any other question, in the same question? Say. say something about that. Okay, from your side, if you have watched the video, say something, then only I can understand that you are understanding or not. Okay, number 2, it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. Closed cylindrical we are talking about. Closed means total surface area we will take if it is need, if there is a need. So closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter, the base diameter is 140 centimeter. Let's see this question. Okay, I'm erasing this. See, this one is, I'm just drawing here, that is closed cylinder. Okay, from our side we have drawn it closed. Now according to question, it is given base diameter is 140, diameter is 140, right? This complete 140 centimeter, right? Yes. After that, given height is 1 meter. This is the height of cylinder from here to here, 1 meter. Okay, next is how many square meter of the sheet required to make for the same. इसके लिए आपको कितनी sheet चाहिए? First of all, let's what is given. Solution that number 2. What is given? First of all, given height. Height is equal to 1 meter, or we can say 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Next one is base diameter. Base diameter is equal to 140 centimeter. So radius will be equal to 140 divided by 2 means 70 centimeter. Now we have radius, we have height. Can we find total surface area for required sheet? So total surface area will be equal to, total surface area कितना होता है? 2 pi r h plus r. Okay, 2 pi r h plus r. This will be equal to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by r multiplied by h plus r. H is 100 plus r. ध्यान रखना, 100 we have written here. These type of questions or any question, your all quantity should be in same unit, right? All quantities should be in same unit. So here unit should be same. We have already changed into the centimeter. So this will be equal to now 7 1 time 7 1 ja 7. So this is 22 2 ja 44. Multiply by 10 and multiply by 100 plus 70 is equal to 170. So can we multiply this? So what will come? Just multiply this 44 multiply by 17. Then we will put 2 zeros. 7 4 ja 17 4 ja 68 na. Then carry 6. 17 4 ja 68. 68 plus 6 equals 74. Okay. So this will be equal to 74800 square centimeter. This much of sheet we need. Okay. Now can we change into meter if we need 1 2 3 4? See how to change. 74800 divided by 1 centimeter. Sorry, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So can we divide by 100 multiply by 100 so that we can make it meter square. Correct? So here 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 can we put here? So this will be equal to 7.48 square meter. These first two questions we have done. Third one, fourth one and fifth one you will try from your side. Okay? Then we will solve in next video or live class. Okay? This much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. And be ready for MCQ test on Wednesday.